farm life. I got chicken poop on me, and we're about to package some eggs today. So this will be a mini vlog. But I'm about to change clothes real fast and maybe get my baby girl, because she's with her grandmother. Y'all probably want to see the chickens, so I will show y'all the chickens in a minute. Farm life. Farm life. You see this? Yep, so the herd got out, and now they are trying to, put them back in place. So what I'm about to do, so really, it's the first meal I am having today. This stuff stank, y'all. Oh, it stank. Just I'm trying it. One scoop of greatness. I'm gonna drink all this. Bottoms up. This got sea moss in it too, but this is nasty. They say sea sludge. You know, breastfeeding mom. You gotta keep your milk up, you know? Now, what you think of that? Y'all see that Kaden dig? He is huge. He is, or she is, huge. So, I am in the egg room. Just box all those up. And now I gotta wash all of these. Not get to show y'all the eggs because I got so busy doing them. So I'm just gonna show y'all the chickens, and this is gonna be the end of this vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. Here are the chickens, y'all. They in the coop because it's hot, and it's some predators up in the sky trying to get them, but there's some that's out trying to eat. But yeah, if you want more farm videos, hit that subscribe button. And my name is Mama Love, and we are on our healing journey. Peace.